Hey guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
this is a quick update for my previous FydeOS video that I made a while back, in which I said... Now, the difference between FydeOS and the modded Chrome OS with Play Store that I've talked in my previous videos is that it's way easier to install. I admit it's less compatible. For example, AMD support for FydeOS is not yet available.
AMD support for FydeOS is not yet available. AMD support for FydeOS is not yet available.
According to their website, it will come soon. But that's not the end of it. But not anymore, because they finally did it, and now you can download FydeOS for AMD processors. If you go on their website and you go at downloads, and you can see here down where it used to say coming soon, now it says PC with either Intel or AMD processors and AMD Radeon graphics, integrated or discrete. And this is a very cool thing, that AMD graphics cards, both integrated and discrete, are compatible with FydeOS, because what we all knew until now for Chrome OS and FydeOS, NVIDIA graphics cards and AMD were not supported. I'm really curious. I don't have an AMD graphics card, and please, who has a PC, for example, and has an AMD processor with AMD graphics card, I would really like to hear from you how is the performance on FydeOS. And please let me know in the comments how this runs for you. As for the installation process, everything is like before. I have here a full tutorial about how to install FydeOS on PC, laptop, virtual machine, and so on. So, like I said, if you have a PC with Intel or AMD processors and AMD graphics card, I would really like to know how is the performance for you, and if you ever tried Chrome OS and you can make a comparison between them, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much, and cheers!